Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we're making something really simple. I'm calling it a foaming aromatherapy bath concentrate. Adding essential oils to one's bath water is commonly recommended as a way to really amp up the luxury factor of your bath. Something you need to keep in mind, however, is that essential oils are oil soluble while bath water is, water, so it's water soluble. So the essential oils, if you just add them straight to the water without anything to help them mix, they're going to float to the top, and that can lead to uncomfortably high concentrations of essential oil in contact with your skin right at the surface of the water. The solution to this is to make sure you are also incorporating a solubilizer into your bath water with the essential oil. That solubilizer will allow the essential oil to thoroughly and evenly disperse throughout your bath water so it is safely diluted. And that's really honestly all this DIY is. It is essential oil plus a foaming solubilizer, Caprylyl and Capryl Glucoside. You can choose any kind of bath-safe essential oil for this DIY. I used this Bloomers blend from Essential Wholesale. That's a sort of prefabricated blend of lavender, geranium, rosewood, and ylang-ylang, but you could again use any kind of bath-safe essential oil. If you associate an essential oil with a tingling or sort of burning or flushing sort of sensation, that is not a bath-safe essential oil. Please don't put, say, clove oil or chili oil in your bath, because bath water touches all your most sensitive bits, and that does not sound like a recipe for a relaxing soak. For more information about this DIY, please make sure you are reading the partner blog post, which is linked in the description box below this video. There's a lot more helpful information there, including information on scaling, shelf life, where to buy ingredients, and a whole lot more. But come on, let's get started. The making part of this is really very simple. It's just 3 ingredients that we're going to weigh into this little beaker. So we're going to start with our surfactant. This is Caprylyl and Capryl Glucoside, and we are going to need 17.94 grams of it for this batch size. If you're looking to scale it up or down, please make sure you are reading the blog post, which is linked in the description box below this video. You'll need 0.06 grams liquid germall plus, and then your essential oil. So I'm using this pre-made blend of essential oils from Essential Wholesale. It's called Bloomers, and it's really quite lovely. And so for this, we are going to need 2 grams. You can use other essential oils in this project. Just make sure that they are bath safe. So don't use anything that is going to set your bits on fire. Once you've stirred everything up, you can package it, and that's it. So this is a little 30 milliliter squeezy bottle with a little turret cap, which makes it very simple to dispense just a few drops of this into your bath water, which is exactly what we want. And that is pretty much it for the making. You can see that the bottle is filled quite nicely. So this is with a 40-gram batch. We made a 20-gram batch here just now, and then I also had a 20-gram batch that I made to take the pictures for the blog post. So a 40-gram batch fills a 1-ounce bottle just about perfectly. Now for use, I would recommend adding about 5 to 10 drops of this to your running bath water, though of course I do not have a running bath in my studio. So I'm going to count out a few drops in here, and then I'm going to agitate the water using a little mini mixer so you can see the type of foam it kicks up. So you can see that we do get a decent amount of lather there with the agitation of the bath water filling. It's not a super long lasting lather, but as it subsides, you will find that the essential oil stays fully solubilized in the bath water. It's not floating on the surface, which is exactly what we are looking for. But there you are. So we just made a lovely foaming aromatherapy bath concentrate, a really simple way to incorporate essential oils into your bath safely and ensure that they stay properly solubilized throughout your bathing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please make sure you are reading the full blog post, which is linked in the description box below this video. You'll find a lot more information there, including information about substitutions, scaling, shelf life, and a whole lot more. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.